Hello everyone, welcome to Real Knowledge YouTube channel. Today we are exposing a major visa scam where people are being tricked with promise of a lifetime Dubai golden visa just by paying some money. You might have seen videos and news claiming you can move to UAE forever by paying around 23 lakh rupees only. But is it really true? Let's find out the reality behind this viral claim. So stay tuned till the end क्योंकि यहाँ मिलेगा आपको full truth with truth. Many Indians are planning to shift to Dubai for a better lifestyle, more income, and tax benefits. But recently, the UAE government has officially denied all claims about a so called lifetime visa. Multiple news reports from Indian and Bangladeshi media channels have been rejected as a fake. जो वायरल हो रहा है सोशल मीडिया पे, it is nothing but a scam. Some YouTubers and consultants are claiming that by paying just 1 lakh AED, that is about 23 lakh Indian rupees, anyone get a lifetime golden visa without real estate investment. Because earlier the rule required a 4 crore rupees real estate investment in Dubai. अब क्लेम हो रहा है कि बिना इन्वेस्टमेंट के बस पैसे देके वीजा मिल जाएगा. Sounds too good to be true. That's because it is. These claims are completely false, misleading, and manipulative. A consultancy called Rayad Kamal Ayub Group recently launched an advisory program for UAE Golden Visas, and this consultancy is based in UAE itself. But the UAE Authority of Identity, Citizenship, Customs and Port Security (ICP), that is a government authority, released a strong warning saying these claims are fake and exploitative. They clearly said no such golden visa exists for 23 lakh rupees or 1 lakh AED. The UAE government made it clear all golden visa applications are processed only through official government portals. There is no internal or external agency authorized to sell visa this way. And the claims being circulated by certain Indian and Bangladeshi channels have no legal backing. In fact, they were made without even consulting UAE authorities. There is only one route, nomination-based selection, where UAE recognizes individuals for their special contribution to the economy of the UAE. It does not require any financial statement or any kind of payment. This system started in 2019 itself and eligibility is decided by UAE government only. मतलब money alone cannot buy this visa. ठीक है? And let's burst the biggest myth going around. And the myth is there is no such thing as lifetime golden visa. The real golden visa